Welcome to my effective how-to videos. I'm going to explain how to use this Keurig K-Mini coffee machine. I've had many in Airbnbs and each time they have been finicky and difficult to get started. So the first thing that you do, and here are instructions, so I'm going to pause a little bit, we will come back to them. You put the water in the back. I've noticed that the more flooded it is, the better are the chances that it works. So don't really rely on what is written on the side. You close the lid, you open, and for this purpose I'm going to reuse the coffee pod. You close it and it's going to turn on automatically. I think that the mistake that most of the time we make is to be impatient. And it says here that you need to wait some time. It says that you need to wait a few minutes. So it's not instant. It's blinking. And you are going to know when the machine is ready because you are going to hear the steam noise when the coffee is ready to brew. So we wait for it, and it's real-time video, so I'm not shortening so that you see exactly what the process is. Now you hear the noise, and that's the noise of the steam. Again, we need to be patient. And here we go. It's not an instant coffee machine. It needs time to heat and to make the proper steam to produce a good coffee. That's my biggest advice that I have. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section. Also, there might be a link in the description in case you want to buy coffee pods or a full coffee machine. And as you see, I stop it because I had put too much water. But I have noticed that it needs to be flooded in the back so that it works properly. It's a finicky machine overall, so very likely you will have to make the test yourself until you find exactly the right quantity of water and the right quantity of time when it's going to start to brew your coffee. Again, thank you very much for watching this video.